Is your Mercedes-Benz Actros displaying a smart key not detected error? The most common culprit is a low battery in your key fob. Replacing it is a simple fix. First, locate the small slot on your key fob, usually on the back or side. Use a small screwdriver or key to carefully pry it open, avoiding damage to the internal circuit board. Remove the old CR232 3-volt battery, noting which side is up plus. Insert the new CR232 battery the same way. Snap the fob back together. Approach your Actros. The system should detect the key within a few feet. Cycling the ignition once or twice can help reset the system. This process should take 5 to 10 minutes, and the battery costs around $5 to $10. Avoid cheap batteries. They can cause issues. If replacing the battery doesn't resolve the issue, physical damage to the key fob from water exposure or drops can cause malfunctions. Nearby electronics might interfere with the key fob signal. Move away from potential sources like radios or metal objects. For commercial trucks, key failures can lead to vehicle immobilization. Address these issues promptly to ensure road safety. If the key fob has been replaced or the ECU reset, it may require reprogramming by a certified professional. Use a diagnostic tool like Mercedes-Benz Entry to check for error codes such as B757 indicating battery or key issues. If batteries continue to fail quickly, it may indicate a receiver issue. Consult Mercedes-Benz for assistance.